red piece. Now at this point you see this place now, that is where you are going to connect any of the wire that is going out. If it is 13 amp socket, if it is AC point, we check the ratings. We're also going to pass this round so that when we'll be going in detail, we understand which one is going to be for AC, which ratings is for lighting point, and at what maximum. Let this one so that then pass this round. Keep one this side. Now you are going to see the difference. It has what I want you to observe is this. At this point we call it the input. This is where it can take supply from the distribution board. And this side is the outgoing. This is where you're going to connect all these
outgoing input. Outgoing.
Yes, this is
input.
That will be attached to this distribution board back. Then at this point, this is where you are going to connect to what? Wires. Now, we also have the earth bar. This is earth bar for your earthing. If you have carried out your earthing outside, the wire will come to this place. Here. So that all these sockets, whether AC or 30 amp socket, will be having the supply from here for the earthing. Is that okay? Now, this is single phase wiring distribution board. Single phase. Now we have started types of distribution board.